Imagine this. You're enjoying your morning coffee, scrolling through memes, when suddenly, boom, your bank account is emptied. Cyber attacks are no joke. Stay tuned as we reveal 10 easy yet powerful ways to outsmart hackers and stay safe online in 2025. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, empowering individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits goes towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Let's dive into today's topic, cybersecurity in 2025. The problem is, why cybersecurity matters more than ever. Cybercriminals are leveling up in 2025. Whether it's ransomware locking your files or phishing scams targeting your grandma, no one is safe. And with more smart devices in our homes, hello, hacked fridges, it's time to take action. Here are some solutions. The 10 essential cybersecurity tips in detail. 1. Use strong passwords and a password manager. Look, we've all been there. Password 123 or your dog's name, not going to cut it anymore. Hackers love simple passwords. Instead, use phrases like B3, Teeter Safe, Sorry 2025. Add random symbols and numbers. Better yet, get a password manager like LastPass or Dashlane. It's like having a digital butler that remembers everything for you. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Think of 2FA as the double lock on your digital door. Even if a hacker guesses your password, they won't get far without that magical code sent to your phone or email. Sure, it's one extra step, but so is locking your front door. Worth it, right? 3. Beware of phishing emails. Let me guess, a prince from a faraway land wants to share his fortune? Classic phishing scam. Watch out for suspicious email addresses, like amaz0enduran@scam.com, urgent, too good to be true messages, links that don't match their descriptions. Pro tip, hover over links before clicking to see where they really lead. Better safe than scammed. 4. Update your software regularly. Those update now. Pop-ups are annoying, I know, but ignoring them is like skipping your flu shot during flu season. Software updates patch vulnerabilities. Hackers love to exploit. Just hit update. Your future self will thank you. 5. Use a secure VPN on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi might seem convenient, but it's basically a hacker buffet. A VPN, virtual private network, encrypts your data, making it invisible to anyone snooping. Think of it as wearing an invisibility cloak while browsing. Harry Potter would approve. 6. Secure your smart devices. Your smart devices, doorbells, thermostats, even toasters, are tiny computers. Hackers love breaking into them to access your network, change default passwords, and keep firmware updated. And no, your toaster doesn't need to connect to Instagram. 7. Backup your data. Imagine losing all your photos, documents, and that novel you were writing. Backups are your safety net. Use cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive. And for extra security, invest in an external hard drive. Bonus, no internet, no problem. 8. Monitor your online accounts. Set up alerts for any unusual activity on your accounts. It's like having a digital watchdog that barks when something's wrong. Also, review your bank and credit card statements regularly. Fraudsters are sneaky, but you're sneakier. 9. Install antivirus software. Antivirus software is like your personal bodyguard. It scans, blocks, and eliminates threats before they harm you. Free versions are good, but premium options like Norton or Bitdefender offer extra features, like real-time protection. 10. Educate yourself and stay updated. Cybersecurity isn't a one-and-done deal. Hackers evolve, and so should you. Read blogs, watch videos, like this one, and check out our courses at OneConnect to stay ahead of the curve. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, OneConnect is here to help. Whether you're a beginner or looking to master advanced digital skills, we've got you covered. We have digital skills training, master essential digital tools and techniques. Community outreach, benefit from our programs designed for underserved communities. Expert guidance, learn from experienced mentors. Affordable courses, high-quality training that fits your budget. Digital resources, explore ebooks, templates, and valuable resources. Website design and maintenance. Let us create a professional website for your business. If you like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share your cybersecurity tips in the comments, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for being part of our journey, and see you next time.